I constantly get asked the question, what exchange do I use to buy the crypto that I cover here on the channel? Well, guys, I'm constantly using Bitmart. It is my favorite exchange to use, one of the biggest in the world, and honestly, the easiest exchange for you to load up your wallet and buy all the crypto that I cover on my channel. So I will leave that link down below in the description so you guys can sign up for Bitmart to purchase all the crypto I cover here on the channel. I also have it pinned on my Twitter here as well, and I will guide you through the sign up process now. So we'll click that link. Again, that link is down below in the description and also pinned on my Twitter. So once you guys click that link, it will bring you to welcome to bitmart.com, and here you will use an email and create a password, right? Now, and then you can register. Make sure you guys certify that you are 18 years of age, right? So now once you go through that process, it should bring you here. Now, to load up your wallet, very, very simple, guys. So we just go here to buy and sell. And let's say we wanted to load up with USD Tether, right? Because you can buy all cryptocurrencies with USD Tether. So we can do that, and the limit is $30 to $20,000. So let's say we wanted to load up $1,000, right? Then we would just hit buy here, and then it will let you guys pay with your credit card or even Apple Pay or debit card. Very simple to use. And once you guys have your wallet loaded up with USD Tether, buying and selling crypto is so easy on this exchange, guys, and it's just one of my favorite to use. So again, make sure you guys sign up using that link down below in the description. Appreciate your time, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. What up, guys? Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said, guys, huge SAITAMA Inu video for you today. If you guys are not familiar, we are in a super bearish market right now, guys. So I'm just looking at all altcoins and just shopping around for those with strong fundamentals, and I'm just trying to accumulate at this point, guys. But you know, not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing at this point while Bitcoin is down at like 39, right? And hopefully we bounce back and you know, get into our bullish cycle again. But while we're going down, guys, I just look for buying opportunities. This is just the way, you know, I've trained myself to trade. So there's never a right way, though. Everybody has their own trading strategies. This is just the way I look at it. And honestly, guys, I do see SAITAMA as one of those tokens that has really strong tokenomics and strong communities built behind them. So when I see them super undervalued, in my opinion, guys, I'm just looking into what they have going on, and that includes jumping here on Twitter and going over everything that they've been speaking about. So first, we can start with these AMAs that they've been doing, guys. Very, very cool to see them still being transparent and speaking to the community, and just, you know, keeping that relationship real nice and tight, and you know, just being super transparent. That's key, guys. And also, they're still releasing stuff on SAITAMA, guys. I mean, this is a huge project to commission. I know there's a lot of people excited about that as well. Also, just continuing to be community friendly and joining up on stuff like Earth Day, right? SAITAMA Wolfpack on Earth Day, unite to celebrate the future of our planet while we transform the future of finance. So it's really cool to see that they're just taking part in community events, right? Like Happy Earth Day. I mean, cool. Just you got to keep those morals and those fundamentals always true, right? And they've always just been really cool when it comes to that kind of stuff. So excuse me. Also, some great memories from Crypto Expo Dubai in 2022 with our friends, partners, to celebrate the power of SAITAMA Wolfpack. Thanks for the support, SAITAMA community, SAITAMA, SAITAMA, SAITA Reality. Cool. So let's jump into this real quick. Okay, let me turn that down. Sorry about that, guys. Rewind that real quick. Perfect. Really, really cool. We walked together as the Wolfpack. We got the SAITA mascot. There's Hasibullah, guys. Really cool. We launched SAITA Reality, most transparent project of 2022. They got awarded as well, so that was also cool to see. right? This is the biggest crypto expo in the world, guys. We are partners with Eagle Fight Club. Also another bomb dropped. State of Reality. And there's a lot more to come. Really, really cool. Hold your bag of SAITAMA with us. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Boom. So that was the Crypto Expo in Dubai, guys. Really, really cool to see. That was back in March, right? The 16th and the 17th. So, ooh. Okay, so now that we covered that, let's see. I don't want to miss anything here, guys. Oh yeah, also new women's items out available for the merch shop. Check them out at our new official store, shop.saitamatoken.com. I will leave the links down below for that as well if you guys are interested in the women's collection, right? Or you girls are interested in the women's collection, I should say. So that's also really cool. And yeah, this is their new project listing on SAITAMA, which is also really cool. The commission, let's check this out real quick, right? Give them a follow. Everyone gets a say. Every DAO. We're not every DAO. Find out why. So let's scroll down, see what they're talking about. It's official, guys. CMSN will be listed tomorrow on SAITAMA. Thanks again, Inu SAITAMA and the SAITAMA Wolf Pack. Big things are coming. Chad's loading up right now before Pax Gold D-app release. Probably nothing. I am normally modest when it comes to projections. However, I truly believe Inu SAITAMA will be a top 25 market cap by the end of 2022. Setting up my schedule for the next few weeks and updating progress on all of our current projects today. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer. I mean, I kind of feel the same way, guys. I think that Bitcoin will have a run to its new all-time high, and these altcoins that are super strong and built communities are going to, rise to the top, guys. So, again, just one of these things I'm looking at. SAITAMA has definitely, built itself a huge community over the short time that it's been out, guys. So, just one of those tokens I'm paying attention to while it's in such a dip right now, right, guys? But that being said, it's Crypto Ether. Hope you enjoyed the video today. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.